Hello everyone, today's video we're going to cook sweet corn soup with radish. Here's are the ingredients. We have pork bone, dried apricot kernel, carrots, sweet dates, corn, and radish. Let's start cooking. Blend the pork bone first so that you can remove the oil. Then boil the water. After boiling the water, put the pork bone, add the corn, add the carrots, add the radish, add the dried apricot kernel, add the sweet dates, then cover. Cook for around 2 hours. Done cooking. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.